Hello guys, welcome to IT World, my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. As the first step, I type facebook.com on my browser and search. Next, I click on the sign up. It redirects to this page. Now you have to give your first name and last name on this page. Actually, this gonna be your Facebook name. Everyone can see you on the Facebook. Okay, after you typed your name, click on the next. Here you have to provide your birth date, birth month and birth year. Once you're done, you can click on the next button. Then it redirects you to this page, and here you have to provide your phone number, instead your email address to sign up. According to my opinion, I chose here my email address to sign up. Then I provide my email address here. Once you're done, click on the next and select your gender on next, and here you have to give a password. Please create a password with at least 6 characters. It should be something that others couldn't guess. Make sure your password is strong. Okay, now click on the sign up and you can save password here. Now click on OK or not now. See, I received a Facebook confirmation code. I clicked on OK and it redirects to me a new page. Now you should provide that code and confirm. Once you provided your confirmation code, click on the confirm button. You'll see you get a notification, right? And here you have to your mobile number. A number can help you reset your password easily and receive SMS notifications. It also helps Facebook to connect people with you and provide and improve ads for you and others on Facebook products. Okay. So that guys, don't hesitate to provide your mobile number, because you can make changes after you logged in successfully to your Facebook account, choosing the only me in your privacy settings. Okay, no one can see your mobile number or email then. Alright guys, we have done every and each steps clearly. Now we can successfully log into our Facebook account. We can see our profile just now. You see here my Facebook profile. Hope you guys understood how to create a Facebook account. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe IT World, our YouTube channel, and if got any doubts, comment us. Thank you.